Welcome to Best Primary Mathematics channel. Today I would like to present about prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers, which number have only two factors, those numbers we have been calling prime numbers. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, etc. And composite numbers, which number have more than two factors, those numbers we have been calling composite numbers. Example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, etc. Every number has its own factors. Okay, prime and composite numbers do not end or infinity. We can find out more prime and composite numbers according to the rules, but every number has its own factors. Okay, example 1 is neither prime nor composite because it has only one factor, that is itself. 1 into 1 equal to 1. We can do it divisible by only 1. Except 1, every number has at least two factors, 1 and itself. Okay, 1 is all number factor. 2 has two factor, 1 and itself. 3 has two factor, 1 and 3. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 1, 3. We can divisible by only two numbers, 1 and 3. 4 has three factors. Those are 1, 2, 4. 1 into 4 equal to 4. 4 into 1 equal to 4. 2 into 2 equal to 4. Factors are exactly divide the given number without remainder. Okay, every number has its own factors. So 4 we can divisible by 1, 2 and 4. Okay, 6 has 4 factors. They are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1 into 6 equal to 6, 2 into 3 equal to 6, 3 into 2 equal to 6. 6 ones are 6. So we can divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 6 has 4 factors. They are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, like that we should find out the prime and composite numbers. Thank you.